Hello everybody, and welcome to another Tatung Einstein video. What's come in the post, which I'm quite excited about, is something for the beastie. The old Tatung Einstein, Mr. Albert himself. So what I've not had is I've not had any discs to test out the floppy disk. So we know, as we can see here, that drive 0 there is the Gotek. Now, the Gotek, as we know in a previous video, was fixed with the rotary encoder, which is still a little wobbly. I still need to get something inside there that stops it from wobbling around, but at the moment it does work. Okay, so on there we've got Chucky Egg. So if I do a D, an I, and an R, there we go, we've got Chucky Egg. But what happens when I do 1 colon? That light comes on, but then we get not ready. Try again, no. And it goes back to drive 0. So what I wanted to do was get some 3-inch floppy disks. Now, these are expensive. There's some on eBay at the moment. I think there's 9 for about £40. And then I've seen something ridiculous like there's 40 of them containing games and blank discs, and they're like £70 odd for 40 discs. But what I did come across, I came across a seller, let's put those out of the way, who was getting rid of 2 discs. Now, supposedly, these are formatted for Amstrad CPC in the Einstein. What I'm not sure about is why these are covered up. These may be covered up to make these single-sided, so you have to flip them round anyway. But it might also be the right protect. I can't remember on these what the right protect was. Because it's that long ago since I've had it. It could be that they're read-writable. So I'm going to put this in here now and see what happens. Now, there's every possibility. Can we put that there? Is that good for you? Can you see that if I prop it up? Without you slipping down too much? No, it's not going to work, is it? Right, we'll have to do it this way then. We'll have to do it like that. Will this work? I have a feeling the drive belt may have gone. That doesn't sound good. No sector. But that could also be because we need to use the format command. Okay, so we need to find, I think it's the system utilities. Copy. It's not format, is it? Of course not. It's backup. There we go. So F to format. I can only format this in drive 0. Why is that? Okay, as it turns out, when you press format, I read that as being insert the disk in drive 0 you want to format. What it's actually doing is saying insert a disk in drive 0 with the system tracks on to transfer over to the other disk. So when you press enter, because on the GoTech I've got the Crystal DOS disk, it then says what drive to format. So I press 1, press enter, and lo and behold, it says already formatted yes. And then it verifies. So hopefully this will give me a blank disk, and the disks were already formatted in CPC format, which were incompatible. Look. Amazing. So, can I say copy xbas.com to drive 1? Does that work? Invalid format. Copy. Let me put you back down here and let me have a look at the manual. 1 second. Manual. And what I'm looking for is a copy command. Copy. The use of copy will normally involve copying of single or multiple files. Blah, 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 blah. What do? We type in copy input file to output file. Huh. So we have to do, go out of there. No. Right. So that's interesting. You have to use the 2 parameter, and it's copying. And then we exit here, enter, yeah, and then 1, yeah. So I think for, what did I pay for them both? $4.99 maybe for the 2 discs. It looks like they both work, which is brilliant. So I've now got 2 blank discs that I can write software to. That is pretty good, and they were quite cheap, so I'm pleased with that. So on that note, I'm going to format the other disc, put my manual away, and then start copying some files to these discs.
A few moments later.
Oh, now that's interesting. I've turned the drive over, and side 2 has a red LED. I didn't remember that. That's quite impressive. So that there was green on one side, red on the other. That's how you know what side of the disc it is. Brilliant. Proves it's working fine. I was expecting the drive motor, the belt, the whatever to be dead. But obviously not. So I think that really does conclude this video. The Einstein, apart from now that key not working, the question mark, and my badge missing, which is a bit of a rubbishy one, but it'll do for the moment. My Einstein is complete, it's finished. I need to get onto some more hardware. So I will do that in the next few videos. It will be Einstein videos again, but a different flavour, some external DIY devices. I think that's the future. So keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon so that you get notifications when I upload more videos. And leave me a comment. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.